Welcome to Lyra Tech. Today we're looking at the InnoView Dual Portable Monitor, an impressive solution for expanding your workspace. Featuring two 23.8-inch 4K displays, it promises incredible productivity and vibrant visuals. We'll dive into its unique design and whether it delivers on its ambitious claims. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's talk about the raw power of these displays and how they. With dual 4K UHD resolution and 100% sRGB color, this monitor promises incredibly sharp images and accurate colors. Perfect. Having two large 23.8-inch screens immediately available means you can drastically increase your productivity, easily managing multiple applications side by side. Featuring HDMI, USB-C, and DisplayPort, this monitor offers versatile connection options, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of laptops. The driver-free, plug-and-play functionality makes getting started incredibly simple, allowing you to instantly extend or duplicate your display without any. This monitor delivers seriously impressive visual quality in an expansive workspace, making it incredibly effective. Next, we'll examine the unique design, overall value, and what it means to own. The 180-degree folding and 315-degree flip mode are fantastic for sharing your screen easily with colleagues or finding your ideal. The foldable design saves significant desk space when not in use and allows for diverse multi-monitor setups, though its size. Priced at $579.99 for a unique dual 4K monitor setup, this represents a significant investment but offers a compelling feature. InnoView provides a solid 30-day return policy and an 18-month warranty, giving buyers confidence and good peace of mind. Overall, the InnoView offers a highly adaptable design, fair value for its premium features, and solid. The InnoView Dual Portable Monitor offers a genuinely unique and powerful desktop experience. Its dual 4K screens and 100% sRGB are fantastic for creative work and boosting productivity, complemented by easy setup and versatile display modes.